coffee that we serve here at Trademark. So first what you're gonna do is take out the filter holder, and you're going to get one of the big white filters from the cabinet, and you're gonna put one in. And then after that, you're going to get the coffee beans and fill it up to the 2-cup point. Then you get the paper bag and put it under this little spout, and you want to make sure that you push down on the metal lever behind it before you press start, because if you press start without doing that, it won't start. After the coffee is all grinded up, you put the grinded coffee back into the filter, and before you put the filter holder back where it was, you have to make sure that you open the top of the coffee lid, or else the coffee's going to go everywhere. So open that up, put the coffee filter or the coffee holder back up, and then you're gonna press half, and then you're gonna press on. And after you do that, the coffee's